NFA or NDFA. Non-deterministic finite automata is defined over the 5 tuples Q, sigma, delta, Q naught, F, where Q is a set of states within a NFA, sigma is a set of input symbols, delta is a transition functions. Delta is defined like this over the current input state. On current input symbol, it will go to 2 power Q possible states. So what is the meaning of this one? Let's see here. Assume NFA contain 2 states Q0, Q1. Over the input symbol 0, it may go to Q0 state or it may go to Q1 state. Multiple entries are allowed in NFA, but in DFA, Q0 on 0, only one next state. But here there are 2 possibilities. It may go to Q0 or it may go to Q1 state. Undecidability is allowed in the case of NFA. Okay, so we cannot able to implement NFA directly. We need to convert NFA into deterministic finite automata, then we can able to implement it. In real time scenario, non-determinism is not going to be accepted. Okay, so system cannot able to decide whether it need to go to Q0 state or it need to go to Q1 state. We need to give the clear instructions. So NFAs directly we cannot able to implement it. We need to convert NFA into DFA, then only we can able to implement. But what is the use of NFA? So construction of DFA is difficult compared with construction of NFA. So we will construct NFA for the given language, then we will convert that NFA into DFA. Now let's see a simple example for construction of NFA. I want to design a NFA which will accept all the strings that are ending with 0 over the input symbol 0, 1. What are the different strings within the language? 0 is a valid one, 0, 0 is a valid one. So any combinations of zeros and ones, at last we need to get 0. These are the different possible strings. Now we will construct a NFA here. Q0, minimum string is 0. So first we will construct NFA to accept the minimum string. This is ending with 0. So this is the final state. This is the initial state. So before ending with 0, you may get any combination of zeros and ones. So Q0 on 0, Q0 only. Q0 on 1, Q1 only. Q0 only. See here. At last, if string is ending with 0, it will go to Q1 state. Before that, you may get any combination of zeros and ones. This is a NFA to accept all the strings that are ending with 0. Let's write down the transition table. Q0, Q1 over the input symbol 0 over the input symbol 1. Q0 on 0, it will reside within the Q0 state or it may go to the Q1 state. This is not accepted in DFA, but here it is accepted. Q0 on 1, it will go to Q0 state. Q1 on 0, there is no transitions. Q1 on 1, there is no transition. In NFA, so this non-determinism is accepted. Empty transitions are accepted. But in the case of DFA, over the current state, over the current input symbol, you need to specify what is the next state. This empty transitions are not allowed in the case of DFA, but in the case of NFA, it is allowed. Now, if the input is 1100, how it is going to be accepted? Let's write down Q0 is the initial state, 1100 is the input. Q naught on 1, there is only Q naught is the possibility. Q naught on 1, again Q naught only. Okay. Now what is the remaining string? Q naught on 00. So Q naught on 0, we have two possibilities. It may resides within the Q naught state or it may go to the Q1 state. Okay. So what is the remaining string here? Again 0 is there. We have two possibilities here. One is Q naught on Q naught, another one is Q1. Q naught on 0. Now again we have two possibilities. Q naught, Q1. If it reach in this path, string is accepted. If it is reached in this path, it is not accepted. So if you reach in this path Q naught on 0, there is no transition. In this case also not accepted. The valid path is this one. Okay. So multiple paths are there. Among all those paths, one path is going to be valid. Okay. As a human being, we can able to understand in which path we need to go, but system cannot able to decide. Okay, that is the reason in NFA undecidability is there. System cannot able to decide whether it need to go to the Q1 state or it need to reside within the Q naught state. This is allowed in the case of NFA. So let's check with the same input 1100. So Q naught on 1, Q naught only, Q naught on 1, Q naught only, Q naught on 0, we have two possibilities. One is reaching to the Q1 state, another one is reaching to the Q naught state. Two possibilities. See here, we have two possibilities. Now, see here again, Q naught on 0, it moved to the Q1 state, that is the one possibility, it is accepted. Another possibility is it resides within the Q naught state, that is the another possibility. So previously already it reached to the Q1 state, so there is no transition defined over Q1 on 0. So this is undecidability. Okay, finally we got three paths. One is undecidability, another one is it is in the non-final state, another one is it is in the final state. Okay, so within the NFA there are multiple paths. Okay, out of those we need to choose the valid path. This is the valid path here.